Good evening to everyone. I want to share to all of you the story of Ryan and Rose, my mom, and my dad. Ikukwento ko sana sa inyo lahat kung paano nagkakilala, kung paano nagkaroon ng isang magandang kasalan dito. Nagkakilala sila dahil sa Friendster. Hindi sinasadya ang pagkakataon. Nag-open si Rose na isang account na hindi niya alam kay Ryan. Nung day na yun, hindi inaasahan din ni Ryan na matitipuhan niya si Rose. Kasi nga, feeling niya kay Rose, sosyalera. Hindi ganun kasimple. Pero nung time na nagkakilala sila mabuti, nagkamali pala siya ng akala. Nung mga time na yon, nagkakausap na sila sa cellphone, nagka-call meet sila, text, chat, hanggang na-develop sila sa isa't isa. Umuwi si Ryan para kay Rose nung birthday ng December last year, I think. Ngayon, itong araw na to, isang masayang araw para sa kanilang dalawa. Kasi nga, hindi nila aasahan. Magkakross sila ng path. Hindi nila alam, may isang way, isang daan para sila magkakilala. Sa isang simpleng bagay, nagkakilala silang dalawa. Doon na, patapusin ko yung story ko. In short, they love each other so much. Kaya, sana, yung mga tao dito, isupport na lang natin sila. Yung mga tao dito, isupport na lang natin sila. Before I forget, I want to say, I am very glad to welcome Ryan as my daddy and as part of our family. Thank you, Mommy Rose and Daddy Ryan. Thanks for everything. That's all. Thank you.
And I'd like to greet everyone happy evening. And if we could just give the couple a round of applause, please. I've known Ryan as a schoolmate back in 97. Okay. While Rose has been my best friend since 2002. Sorry naman. Ano naman sa may English ako eh. Through the years, my best friend and I have seen the happiest times together. You know, my question always goes, hanggang kailan tayo ganito? Diba? And I surely hope this is not the end of it, but many more to come. This time with Ryan, diba Ryan? Okay. But we've also shed a few tears. Sige, amin ako, balde-balde. Dinadayo namin ito dito, doon, hanggang vegan, balde-balde. Okay. Yes. But beneath all our wins, are being spoiled bratana that we are, and of course, our laughters, okay, I've witnessed how strong Rose has been, and how caring she is to us, her friends. And I'm sure no one would disagree with that, right? Noel, Jano, sila Felix, si Sheng, si Lakat, si Ika, okay? Us friends. Okay? We're always, we see how caring she is to us. But most of all, especially to her family. People do not know what she had to give up to make her family happy. Okay, and I am very proud of that. Okay, Rose has always been mysterious. Even as a best friend, I say that she is. I guess that was beyond the beautiful facade. That makes her even more beautiful. Okay, and funny. so unique, right, Ryan? Kaya yung gabi. Okay, but she does have a good heart. Si Ryan naman has always, yung classroom niya, kapatabi lang ng classroom ko eh. Pero lagi ko siya nakikita kahit nasa loob ako ng classroom. Bakit? Nasa halabas ng shade. Nasa hallway. Diba? Okay. She's always been naughty. Siya yung forever bolero. Kasi muy simpático. Okay. Muy simpático. Okay, on the back. But you know, just like Rose, Ryan too has a very, very good heart. So, when I heard about their courtship, yung kinukwento ni Charmaine kanina, that's Friendster, it's them picking up each other's pieces, broken hearts, to become better. Okay? And so, when I heard about their courtship, despite the distance, I knew they can make it. For the very simple reason that, kasi bagay sila. Okay, well, why don't we just again, give them a round of applause. And I just like to say, cheers to both of you. Mr. Ryan, love everyone. Love you both.
Thank you very much, Ms. Ria. Pwede rin po bang isang palakpak for Ms. Ria Kalimon? Speechless. To begin with, congratulations to my one and only Roxy and Ryan. Thank you for inviting us here. Sobrang, kakaiba. But, na-amaze kami kasi sabi po sa church, umabot kami ng Bulacan, may Johnny. Alas 2 pa kami, papunta dito, para mag-witness lang sa pinaka-memorable na day ni Roxy at ni Ryan. My God, hindi ako nakakaabot dito, but because of this couple, talagang pinasa ko ang flight ko sa Singapore at saka oh my God! Rox, we love you so much. I'm with my husband and my sister. And hindi ko matanggihan. As a very young ninang. And you're very beautiful. And Ryan, take good care of Roxy. And alam mo,